So now let's explore how the time energy, how the sun and moon influence most important thing, our rest, our sleep. There is magical hours, which is most important and most essential to our sleep. From 9 till 11 p.m., our mind and our intellect get rest. Please remember, from 9 till 11. And there is no other time then your mind and your intellect could get rest. You can sleep anytime your muscles get rest, but your mind and your intellect, no. Only between 9 and 11. It's a special time and is scientifically approved that in this time your mind and your intellect get rest. Then from 11 o'clock till from 11 p.m. till 1 a.m. your prana, your body energy get accumulated and you get most rest. So if you sleep this time, you will be very strong. You will have a lot of energy. And from 1 till 3 a.m. your emotional power, your nerves get rest. So from 9 till 3, this is three phases. Then most important parts of your body is your mind, intellect, your vital, your energy, your prana, and your emotional and psychological body get rest. So this is most essential time. Then we are becoming surcharged. And if you're not resting in this time, day by day, our intellect or different parts of our body become weak and weak and weak. We're losing energy, we're losing enthusiasm, we're losing the will of power, we're starting to be influenced by bad habits, and we have so many bad side effects. It's not possible to have very nice and complete, beautiful life if you're not resting in this time. This is dogma. This is complete, not changeable law of nature. You can waste your energy and don't rest at this time, or you can go together with power of time and collect maximum energy, maximum rest, and maximum power, and maximum peacefulness to achieve maximum what you can in your life. So this is your choice what to do, but first thing, we get knowledge that this is golden hours from 9 till 3, most important from 10 till 2. Then we have to sleep at this time. Otherwise, day by day, goodbye our energy, goodbye our emotional power, goodbye our mind and intellect, goodbye our sharp memory and all other mental abilities.